G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial we are going to look at a splatter effect, and we're going to use some of the elements including frames that are within Canva. So if we go over to elements, and I've done this before, so I will just choose from my list. We're going to choose this man with glasses, right? Funny expression. So we'll click on that. We'll bring that into the canvas, and then we're going to duplicate that, and we're going to place that one there. Then we're going to come down here and go add a page. We're going to come over here to a circle frame, and we're going to choose a circle frame. So we'll increase that in size a little bit, and we'll just make sure that under position it's in the middle and center. Alright, so what we need to do there then is choose some splatter elements. So one of the splatter elements is blood splatter background 2708. So we'll get that in and we'll put that down here. The other one is splatter effect untitled. So we'll put that in there. And the other one is, you can choose any sort of splatter. So I'm just going to choose this one, grunge splatter illustration. And we'll put that one down here. So they're the elements that we're going to use for this tutorial. So if we go up to our first page and we go and drag this down into here, like that, what we're going to do is we're going to place it inside the frame. We're going to double click and we're going to extend out, and we're going to keep the head, part of the head, above the frame, just like that. Okay, then we'll click out, and there we have it. Now what we're going to do is use this blood splatter, and we're going to place it around the perimeter of the frame. Alright, so this is going to give us our splatter effect start. I'm going to change the color to white. As you can see there, it starts to create some sort of cutouts in the frame. Then we're going to duplicate that, place it all around the frame. Alright, just like that. Turn it around. Alright, just place it any way you want. Okay, like so. Like so. Not like so, don't press the delete button. Alright, and when you've got around to the other side, alright, like so, this is where you need to now come through here, and you can lock all these. Where's the lock? You can lock all these. Alright, so none of the elements move. Then what you want to do is bring this one down, place it over the top, and we want to remove the background, and we want to place that over the top of the frame. Now what we can do is we can reduce the transparency, and this takes a little bit of effort, a little bit of muck around. Alright, but we want to place it over the top. Alright, almost there. think that might be it almost. A little bit fiddly. Alright, I think that might be it. That looks pretty good. Yep, I think that's it. Alright, so then what we want to do is we want to crop that up to the head. So we'll bring that in like that, and we'll crop that up to the head there. Alright, so there's a little bit of paint splatter effect, but that's okay. Alright, so now that we've got that, then we start taking this one and bring it to the front. And all we do is turn this around and we start to just position it where our colors are. And what we do is we come over here to color, go to the add new color, use the eyedropper and start selecting the color, then duplicate that and turn it around, duplicate it again, turn it around, narrow it down. Alright, we keep doing that until we get all the way around the image. Duplicate that, put that in there, add a little bit more here, like so. Duplicate that one, put it there, and so forth and so on. Duplicating everything as we go around. Now from here, choose the color eyedropper, choose the pink. Alright, duplicate that again, turn it around, duplicate again, in there. Alright, and that's probably more so the hand. Duplicate that, sorry, eyedropper there. Yep. Alright, duplicate that, put that there with the hand. Alright, duplicate that one, bring it over here, like so. Duplicate and put that there like that. And turn it around, duplicate it again, turn it around, narrow it down. Alright, we keep doing that until we get all the way around the image. Duplicate that, put that in there, add a little bit more here, like so. Duplicate that one, put it there, and so forth and so on. Duplicating everything as we go around. Now from here, choose the color eyedropper, choose the pink. Alright, duplicate that again, turn it around, duplicate again, in there. Alright, and that's probably more so the hand. Duplicate that, sorry, eyedropper there. Yep. Alright, duplicate that, put that there with the hand. Alright, duplicate that one, bring it over here, like so. Duplicate and put that there. Now, what we can do is add some paint, sort of larger splashes, go to layers, bring that to front, and we can put that there, for example, and go to eyedropper and click there. And we can play around with the color a little bit. Like so. We can duplicate again, turn this around, like that. Duplicate it again, and actually what we'll do is we'll bin that one, we'll get this one, and we'll add a different effect over here. And again, just go to color, go to eyedropper, and pick the pink. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Just do one more down here, go to the eyedropper, and there we have it. Then we just add the Canva logo in, like so. Alright, go to layers, show layers, select group, alright, And you can add a number of other paint splatter effects if you so choose. So there, go see more like this. If you wanted to, you can add maybe this one, for example. Just try one more, won't overdo it. So if we go there, eyedropper, and we'll sort of choose no, choose maybe, no, that doesn't look good. So we'll leave it as is. Alright, so there we have it, folks. There is the paint splatter effect with the old man with the sunglasses. Easy as that.